Piskela wacho no. Moloyo te wach mar ng'iyo kidieny ma ng'ato dhi chulo godo pesa. Jomondiki to ero inyalo ng'ado search gi to jomoko ndiki means testing ni igi musekelo wach nyaka kata mana somo mar mbalariany ka en ywaruok mapile ni oketa kama ok onego bina bete. Koro wang' ni ere kaka ma to koro idhi rie.
Koro owacho gik mang'eny but owacho maber but an gi a few issues man go. First of all owacho gik mak ni ibodhi hospital ti onge yath. To dwa ni mano should get fixed kapok wachako any insurance scheme. To ingeni mano miwacho ni the chicken, which one comes first, the chicken or the eggs? Koro nyakirang ni before you buy medicine, kidwa nyiewo yath, nyaka iyud gi pesa.
That you pay taxes.
To kien gi pesa no tinyiewo yath, tiuso yedhe go tiyudo pesa. So which one comes first? Yath kose pesa. Koro sani joma complain sana gin joma man gi msara, the people who are salary, nikech gin ing'ado gi from the beginning. To joma ing'ado sani, when they go to those facilities onge yath. So there is no difference sani to before. Nothing has changed. Nikech pod ing'adi msachi, pod pesa ni dhi some insurance, nikech before ji pesa no dhi NHIF. But majority of people, nikech in gi ming'adi msara, in gi choice. In the private hospital moro, sana joma ge public servants, in gi choice ma the private hospitals to get. But nichie joma onge pesa no, the poor, the indigents, the 80%. Kwa wacho ni 80% of the Kenyans do not have that insurance. Again, ka the hospital to onge yath, they are finished. So how do we make sure ni jogi ko the hospital, they are not finished? There should be medicine inside there. Problem in for stelegi, all those people have their facility in charges. To facility in charges, so how do they get money to buy medicine? Because SHA is not managing hospitals. Magoa is a totally different ballgame. One give facility managers, one give county government which owns the hospital. So SHA is an insurance. Gichulo when you go to get services. Kidi kamoro to yudo services, gichulo. Koki yudo services, inyalo di kumora mora to gichulo. So it is up to the hospitals to make sure an incubator is stocked so that they get the payment. Because SHA will work both in private and public hospitals, so long as in a primary care network. Koro then, it means we have to separate these two issues between financing and the second one. So the second thing, mawacho ni pesa momi primary healthcare fund team. And sani an waziri mar Kisumu. One gi bill mar almost 600 million mar nyiewo yath. To pesa mantie budget and almost 300 million shillings. Koro one gi budget deficit. Manyiso ni whatever we do, okwanyal bedo gi yedhe go te. We will have half of those medicines, the other half are not going to be there. To ma pesa mimiwa from the exchequer, ma waonge go sani. So even if you gave me 100 million shillings more, it is better than 0 shillings. Koro nyaka wachak kamoro, we must start from somewhere and say we are financing the primary healthcare system. Tomano is where the jinx of the matter, because UHC is not those big things, UHC chako gi primary healthcare. Ko kinyal fund the primary healthcare, then okinyal achieve UHC. Nikech you will be chasing after advanced diseases. Ni in stage 4 cancer, duaro 1.6 million. So you should have discovered this thing, sama duaro 5,000 to treat that pre-cancer. Koro, the primary healthcare is tax funded. So whatever amount of money will be better than wherever we are right now. So Mano is a step forward. Secondly, one gigi mlongoni chronic illness fund. To one kaka Kisumu, one gigi mlongoni sickle cell, which is a very bad disease. Nikech, okay, a bad disease. Many people live with it, but jionge pesa mar chulo yedhe from time to time. Awinjo ko wacho ni diabetes very expensive. One gigi program Mano seme sani. Mawati yogi almost 1,300 shillings per person per month for diabetes and hypertension. Mano is the average expenditure. Nikech sama in large scale, the costs come down. Koro kenni everybody, but at least an average figure that will take care of the majority. Mano is what social health is all about. Majority are going to be taken care of. To owacho gimoro ni means testing. One wachako maro almost 3 years ago. To one of the problems we want to go, ni yudo ni these people, wabongeo ni ngani is an indigent, to ngani was not an indigent. Nyakibed gi method. Kata orach, you must have a method. To onge method mabiro 100%. Koro nyakiti gi maths. Wan warango ni kidake ot mababati, maonge is a mud thatched walls, floor mari is mud, to yonge cho, mano is a poor person. Mano is a criteria. But there must be a criteria to identify ni ngani is a poor man. Bang mano, there must be a criteria to identify ni ngani bo chulo this amount of money, niko chene onge pesa kabisa. To ngani nigi pesa, you will pay a big amount of money. Koro, there must be something on the table. To jogio come up with something called means test. One more pokwa tiyogo, nyaka you apply it. The first time no tiyo gigino marwa, we failed. Boy, go back to the drawing board, we come up with a new formula. Formula ni watero nyaka sub-county ward committees, they analyze ni gig joge maoido ni most likely don't have money. Analyze mi unyiswa, ni joge are actually people who are poor. Koro, it is a method. Koro, we must embrace ni, there must be a method that will be used. And the only way ni method ni tiyo is we must test it. What get the population, what complain ni gini, ni watiyogo, to it cheated us. Next year we are still alive. Gini okena 1 year thing. Social health insurance and insurance takes 5 years, 10 years for it to mature. Rwanda nyoka almost 8 years. Ghana took 10 years. One wachakosani. One in Kisumu, Maro, 1 get 3 years. We are still very young. Koro, let us start. Start. Then you deal with the problems as they come. Okay. Thank you.
But here the problem,
yeah.
Ma angogi that idea ni chaka